Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only bacon and egg quiche you'll ever need. Start by preparing your pie crust. You can use a store-bought crust or make your own. Press it into a 9-inch pie plate, then blind bake it for about 15 minutes. This step is crucial for a perfectly crisp crust. Once it's golden, remove it from the oven and let it cool slightly while you prepare the filling. Next, let's get our savory filling ready. Cook about 6 slices of bacon until they're nice and crispy, then crumble them into small pieces. Spread the bacon evenly over the bottom of your cooled pie crust. Now, sprinkle 1 1/2 cups of shredded Gruyere cheese over the bacon. This combination creates a rich, flavorful base. Now for the creamy custard that brings it all together. In a bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream. Season this mixture with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg. Gently pour this smooth egg custard over the bacon and cheese in your pie crust, ensuring even distribution. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Place the quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 35 to 45 minutes, or until the center is just set and the top is golden brown. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your perfect bacon and egg quiche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.